Alright, wake up Samsung Galaxy phone users. There is a very important hidden update that you have received and you need to make sure you install this on your Galaxy phones. You will not know where exactly is this particular update unless you are a part of this Apex community. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, become a part of this community to know your phone better and stay updated with everything that's happening with your phone. Now, just go to the settings. Tap on Google Services. Here we have got all services. Tap on this. Scroll down. You will see System Services. Tap on this. Now here I have got these notifications and you can also see I have got the section Available Updates, Android System Intelligence and Mainline Services. And on the top we have got these notifications. It says restart is required because there is a small update for the phone as far as the Google System Services are concerned. Now, let me tap on Android System Intelligence. Now, this is exactly where you can update this particular component. Now, this is very important because Android System Intelligence or ASI is a core system component that handles AI-driven features like live captions, smart replies, and app predictions. And these updates are important because they regularly improve these AI models to work faster, drain less battery, and add new capabilities without needing a massive full Android OS update. So yes, it improves the AI features, it improves the battery, it improves the performance, and it also enhances the security of the device. So just make sure you find this update on your phone and update it. Now this may be rolling out in different regions at different times. It may be a phased rollout. So if you are not finding this, maybe after a few days you can come here and check it and update your phone. And sometimes this update may not be manual. It may come as a part of your Google Play System update. It will get installed along with your Google Play System update. But right now, this update is manual and you will have to go ahead and update that. And we have got mainline services here. It says I need to restart the phone here, restarting your device to finish system services update, which is the same notification that we saw here. So make sure you open this Android System Intelligence and tap on update to keep your phone updated as far as the Android System Intelligence is concerned. So go ahead, update your device. And you can also check if you have the Google Play System update. You can go to the security and privacy, tap on updates and tap on Google Play System. I do have a minor Google Play System update which I will have to install. Only by restarting the phone I will be able to install it, and that is what it was showing in red in my previous page under Google Play Services. So go ahead, update your device, and if you're interested in this gradient wallpaper, it's available on Wallverse under collections. Search for gradient category or collection. You'll be able to find some beautiful gradients on the application, and we keep updating the app with at least 10 to 15 wallpapers almost every day, or at least 4 to 5 times a week, so that you don't get bored. You will find brand new wallpapers almost every day. So go ahead, the link for the application is in the description. Check it out and download it and install it. And don't forget to rate the app 5 stars on Play Store. I would really appreciate that. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.